Supreme being is in the Vaishnavism is known as has a supreme as a personality. He has the qualities of personality. He is also an individual, and he has all the traits of personality. So he has consciousness, and he has willing, feeling, thinking, and all these qualities of personalities. So are endowed in God also. So this is the specific characteristic of the Vaishnava strand of as a Hindu religion. Any person who worships God, Vishnu, with that understanding is called it's called a Vaishnava, and the traditional as a spiritual as a culture that he practices is called Vaishnavism. So in other words, a Vaishnava worships the Lord as a supreme personality. And so in this way, in this supreme the relationship with the Lord in that capacity, so we are individual living beings, all of us, that not only human beings, but the plants, the animals, the birds, the microbes, all forms of life. So all these forms of lives are related with the Supreme Source, Supreme Being. So in this way, there's a Vaishnava conception is very clear that all living beings are individual living beings, but God is one. The Supreme Being is one. So the relationship between God and the individual being, especially in the human form of life, when we have relationship that I like to serve the Lord, I like to become a servant of the Lord. So in this way, this kind of relationship, so this is done through a process called bhakti. This is called a devotional relationship. And so in this relationship is very vast. And according to the guna, means the quality of this individual, and the karma means the activity that the individual is able to perform. So according to that, there are different, let's say, systems of relationship. According from rasa. Rasa means the mellow, called the transcendental, let's say, mellow, that with that transcendental relationships, one can relish, the sweetness or the different degrees of sweetness that one can develop with the Supreme Lord in connection. So this is the whole realm of bhakti, or called devotional